This video covers almost all possible methods for you to get videos from iPhone to computer. You can go through all the methods in the below and choose the one you think is the best to complete the task. Method 1. How to transfer videos from iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS. Fastest method. Mobikin Assistant for iOS empowers users to get access to the iPhone's memory on the computer without iTunes and export all your needed iPhone videos to your personal computer without losing. Connect iPhone to PC using USB cable. Launch Assistant for iOS program. Device detected. Interface appears. Click Videos on left. Select desired videos. Preview, checkbox. Click Export on top. Choose Save folder on PC. Method 3. How to download videos from iPhone to computer via iCloud. If you have enabled the Apple's iCloud photo feature on your iPhone, all videos and photos on your iPhone will be uploaded to iCloud Photos automatically. Method 4. How to send videos from iPhone to computer with iTunes. If you are a big fan of iOS, then you should be familiar with iTunes, a free desktop application provided by Apple that can help you manage data on your iOS device. You can use iTunes to backup and restore iPhone data. Method 5. How to transfer iPhone videos to PC via email. This method will have time and size restrictions. The file size limit is 20-25 MB. If you only want to transfer a small amount of video and don't mind spending a lot of time, you can still use this method to transfer videos from iPhone to PC. Method 6. How to copy videos from iPhone to PC via Photos app. If you are using Windows 10, then you can also use its Photos app to transfer videos from iPhone to PC without installing any third-party applications. Method 7. How to import videos from iPhone to PC with Windows Explorer. You can also directly export videos from iPhone to PC with the help of Windows Explorer. You just need to open the DSIM folder in your iPhone on your computer. Select the videos you want and move them to your PC. Method 8. How to transfer videos from iPhone to PC via Dropbox. There is also a wirelessly transferring way to help you get videos from iPhone to PC using Dropbox. It provides users with 2 GB of free space to store the videos you want to transfer.